Don't make it jump out.
Yeah, so check this out. Check this out. See that lighthouse up there?
Yeah.
If you take a picture, in the picture, it'll freeze 6 beams. But there's not 6 bulbs. There's 1 light bulb up there. And there's a series of mirrors that deflect the light. So it appears as there's 6 different lights up there shining out. Pretty cool.
That's awesome.
You know what that's for, right?
That's awesome.
Since they're offshore in foul weather, they can see shore, they can see land and know where port is, where to head in.
That's
Pretty
awesome.
Cool. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Welcoming gifts for the little guy. You have a buff at home or what? That's a buff for you.
Oh,
Put those in your pocket. That's for shades.
Nice.
Like
Yeah.
I work with Native.
Okay.
So, they give me a little bit of stuff every once in a while, so I share with everybody. I'm like, I don't need all this for myself.
Appreciate it, man. I need as much information as you're willing to share.
I do the same thing as you do with the GoPro. I just
Yeah.
make sure you're not going to connect with anything else. I'm going to show you how to do everything though, so you're going to fully know from start to finish how to bait your hooks, how to catch a fish, how to reel him in, how to de-hook him, how to take a photo of him, and then how to release him safely. It's going to be pretty cool. They can see baits and small prey, so they're going to always, penetrate that area.
Right.
And they're experts. So where the birds are, that's where you want to be. There's typically bait fish, and then where there's bait fish, there's typically bigger fish.
That's awesome.
Look at this full moon. This is what they call a micro moon.
Yeah.
That's once every 15 or 20 years, I believe, and it's a bit smaller than normal. You wouldn't think so. Last night around 9 o'clock at night, I stepped outside. I couldn't believe how bright it was.
Man.
Typically, when it's a full moon, the fish like to gorge at night because they can see bait really well in the water column.
Right.
Because it's lit up from the brightness of the moon.
Gotcha.
The moon has a lot to do with, fishing and tides and wind and your success out there.
Right.
We'll touch on that more later, but the moon phase is a super critical part that a lot of captains follow. Just right there. What I'll do is take one of these heavy rods with a heavier line set and a big old drag. So if we catch a 30, 40, 50 pound fish, it's capable of getting them in and getting them in quickly. Look at that sun coming in. It's about to come up.
Oh, yeah. Throwing our first bait out there.
Bait right here, yeah. Put a couple out the back.
All right. Yep. Still got it.
Okay. Wow, that's kind of wild, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's got little teeth. They're cool looking, but they don't really they don't eat. They're not eating.
Oh, yeah. No, not at all. Oh,
give me some?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get a picture of it.
Yeah.
That was pretty rad.
Good
That
job,
was pretty
son.
rad, dude. Stay right where you are. Watch this.
Yeah.
Hold that. That's all you gotta do. Hold right here. Don't hold the fish. Hold right here in the line. There you go. Yeah, dude.
Good job,
Nice.
son.
Alright, so you got a blue fish. Now we gotta get a red fish. Take a picture of it. Yeah, so hold it up here. As long as you hold the line, can't do nothing to you. Okay?